Hello, welcome to Module 1. Before you begin, please make sure that you have read and printed a copy for reference, the syllabus, located under Course Information on the home page and at the end of the Start the Course Here module. Also, take a moment to introduce yourself to your classmates using the discussion areas of the course. Your introduction is worth up to 100 points for posting in the first week. You will earn fewer points if posted after week 1. Module 1 covers Lesson 1 of our textbook, Deploying an Application Server. You will be introduced to Windows Application Services and how to plan and deploy an enterprise application server. Also, you will connect to the MOAC Online Labs site and create your account. By the time you finish Module 1, you will be able to deploy images using Windows Deployment Services and configure Microsoft Windows activation. This module consists of reading assignments, followed by hands-on exercises, homework assignments, knowledge assessments, and quizzes used to evaluate your understanding of the concepts presented in the module. To complete this module, you need to post your introduction to the discussion area, connect to the MOAC Labs online and create your account, read Lesson 1, complete Lesson 1 Hands-on Labs, complete Lesson 1 Homework, complete Lesson 1 Knowledge Assessment, and complete Lesson 1 Quiz. A moment on module activities. We have a self-introduction, which is a great way for us to learn a little bit about each other. Use the discussion thread to introduce yourself. Tell us a little bit about you, who you are, your hometown, why you are taking this course, and what you would like to learn while in it, as well as your educational goals. This is a graded topic, so be sure to complete it. You will earn maximum points if entered during the first week of the course. You will receive fewer points if submitted after the first week of the course. The self-introduction is worth up to 100 points. Each lesson in the course will have a corresponding hands-on lab component. Hands-on labs are conducted using the MOAC Labs online, which you access using the instructions at the end of this module, along with the access code that came in your book. Follow the instructions in the online version of the labs to complete the labs. See the lab assignment in the module for more information. Each lab is worth 100 points for a total of 1,200 points. Each lesson in our textbook also has a corresponding homework assignment. The homework assignment consists of a series of questions, fill in the blank, short answer, and/or matching. Complete each question with the best answer possible. You have 1 hour for each of the homework assignments, so there's plenty of time. Lesson homework assignments are worth 50 points each for a total of 600 points. Each lesson in our textbook has a corresponding knowledge assessment and case scenario section. Knowledge assessments consist of several review exercises, including fill in the blank and multiple choice questions. The case scenarios are based on the lesson's main points and that of previous lessons. Complete all knowledge assessments and case scenarios using a single document. Submit the document in the assignment. Knowledge assessment and case studies are worth 50 points each for a total of 600 points. Each lesson has a quiz that covers all the materials covered in the corresponding lesson. Quizzes in this course are chosen randomly from a database created from the subject matter in the text assignments covered by the quiz. The database for each quiz contains many more questions than you will actually see. That is, you have a quiz comprised of 25 questions from a database of over 50 questions. The quizzes are timed and must be taken online for that reason. If you should open a quiz to preview it and then close it again to study, it will reshuffle the questions and reselect from the database. This means that the next time you open a quiz, you may or may not see the same questions. I've allowed 1.5 minutes per question, which is pretty generous. The questions are true, false, multiple choice. Once you've completed answering the questions, take time to review them to ensure you have answered all of the questions. An unanswered question is always wrong. Until you click Submit for grading button, you can change your answer. Be sure to save your answers prior to submitting them. Lesson quizzes are worth 100 points each for a total of 1,200 points. Formative exams are given at the midterm and end of course time periods. Each exam will cover the material for all of the lessons of that portion of the course. The exam, or each exam, is worth 250 points for a total of 500 points. Since homework assignments and quizzes are computer corrected, they may not be totally accurate until I review each and every question to ensure that the computer has not counted a question wrong due to a misspelling or other minor error. Computers only know exactly what we tell them. Nothing more, nothing less. It is impossible, at this point, to program a computer that will consider every possible misspelling of a word or synonym that could be used to interpret additional words. You will know when I've reviewed it by the comments I put on the submission. Finally, you need to check the My Grades icon on the course homepage to check the grade for the quizzes and your course progress. A grade should appear in the My Grades section within 48 hours after you submit your assignment or assessment. If it does not, please notify me via the course email. The grade you see may or may not be final. See what I just said. You may receive a partial grade if the quiz has a completion answer in it, short answer typed. You can review the quiz results in detail by clicking on the score next to the quiz number in the My Grades section. If you have any questions, please send me an email right away. Have fun in the assignment. I look forward to your submissions.